Hi, Spotty. The new Europeans are attacking.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, hence the explosions and gunshots behind me. Come on, let's get out of here.
Wait, hang on. What in the current political status would drive the Empire's military to hostile invasion of someone's territory without providence?
Come again.
It makes no sense. The Empire and our cooperative aren't in trade embargoes or heightened stress on our diplomatic protocols or anything of the sort.
I agree. Come on, we need to leave, now.
Wait, we need to understand the motives behind this clearly confusing act, that we have not had time to process or understand it all within our current education.
Goodbye, Spotty.